Hello friends, welcome to TImesteps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome notification. You can see if you have a Google Chrome browser and your notification is enabled, and you might be receiving a lot of notification. Okay, a lot of unwanted notification, and you want to stop this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So for that you need to go to this tree icon, then go to settings. Okay, in the settings option you will get privacy and security option. Click on there, and then you need to go to site settings option. On the site settings option, you can see this is like a website, and they're sending you the notification. Then you can see the notification icon. Okay, so on the notification icon you can see it is allowed. Sites can ask to send notification. Okay, so you need to make it do not allow site to send notification, and after that you can make it safe. Okay, so this is the settings. You need to do that. So let me I just click here, and I'm going out from here, and you can see again let me check site settings, and then privacy settings, notification, and you can see I have disabled it. Okay, so this is the steps you need to follow if you are facing this notification issue. Okay, so this is my channel. I'm going to upload this kind of video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.